Hi, I'm Cadet Under Officer CUO O'Sullivan from 403 Squadron in Beaconsfield, Victoria, and I designed the AAFC80 patch. I joined the AAFC in January of 2018, so around about 3.5 years ago. It wasn't originally my plan, but I had family as both staff and cadets who encouraged me to join, and I could see how much they did enjoy it. So I was a bit hesitant at first, but I'm really glad I did join because I've been in love with cadets ever since. The competition was actually recommended to me by a staff member in my wing. I'm not sure that I originally knew about it, but they did know that I love to take on new challenges, so they suggested that I look at the competition, which that then pretty much fueled my motivation to create something that hopefully I thought would be worthy of representing the AAFC on this special anniversary. There were many challenges along the way. It was a lot of trial and error, playing around with different elements, colours and designs, and I also hand drew it all, which was another challenge in itself. So there were several drafts in the end. I took inspiration from many different elements, from things that I've researched. I don't think I actually ended up creating the finished product until one of the last days of the competition, but it all came together in the end, which I was really happy about. Part of the logo represents our Indigenous heritage in the form of the Aboriginal art design on the 8, which uses the symbols for family, as well as clouds and stars, which incorporate our aviation aspect. The colours of the AAFC are also represented in that 8 with the light blue background with the navy highlights as well. And then if you move on to the 0, it actually represents diversity, innovation and equality. With the various different colours as represented in the triangles, which also shows kind of the futuristic element. And then the aviation and military style theme is represented by the Diamond DA-40 aircraft, which is flying between the two numbers, which just ties it all together. So when I did find out that I was chosen, there was probably a lot of mixed emotions there. So at first it was definitely disbelief. I couldn't really believe that I was chosen, but then I was definitely over the moon when I did find out. From there, I had to go through with a graphic designer who then came through and helped me edit it. So they took away my patch and they made sure that obviously everything that I created was still represented in the final product, but it was just because I hand drew it, it did make it more professional and able to be on the patch. It was a once in a lifetime opportunity, and not many people can say that they created a patch that thousands of cadets and staff would wear.